Howdy y'all, welcome back to another episode. Today is kind of like an unboxing, but not quite. I went shopping to a DAISO. I passed by the store so many times and didn't realize what it was. Then I came across a YouTube video showing all the camping gear that somebody picked up. And then I watched more videos and more videos, and I had to go right away. DAISO, if you're not familiar, if they're not in your town yet, they soon will be, probably, because they're growing quickly. It's a Japanese dollar store-ish. There's housewares, there's camping gear, fishing gear, pet supplies, gardening supplies, makeup, you name it, food. So, cool stuff. Gadgets that you never knew you needed until you see them. One of the first things I picked up was this reflective bag with a zipper, and yes, it was only $2.25. Most of the things are, if they're not marked, are $2.25. There's signs on every aisle, sometimes 2 or 3 on every aisle, telling you the price from yen to American dollars. So no price is $2.25 for this nice little handbag. No, it's not a handbag, it's a zippered pouch. Now, as you saw in the past, I tried to make a reflective bag out of a dollar store windshield heat reflector thing for my mountain house meals. So the idea is, oh, look at that, it's a perfect fit for mountain house. Zip it, and it's flat on the bottom, so I can sit it up, set the meal in there, and it helps rehydrate. Mine actually wasn't bad. It was like an envelope, sorta, made out of the reflective and duct tape, not duct tape, really strong tape. But then I walked away one day from my picnic table and seagulls tore it apart. I had Velcro to close the lid. It was actually pretty nice. But for $2.25, this is easier and cheaper, I guess. I actually prefer ReadyWise. And yes, perfect fit again. So I may just store all the meals in here for now, and I'm happy with this. So that's my first thingy. Also, for $2.25 a pack, we have we're staying with our the mother-in-law to take care of her. She's not in the best shape, and the carport birds come back and nest every spring, and it's springtime and they're nesting, or they're not nesting yet, but they're getting ready to. Bird deterrent CDs, since you can't find a CD anymore. So for $4.50, I don't know if they'll work, but they've got little hooks, and I'm gonna hang them all over the well, not hooks, strings. Gonna hang them all over the carport, and hopefully they'll Keep the birds from pooping in the carport on my motorcycle. So, cool deal. What else have we got? No, nothing. $2.25. This is an oil absorbing sheet. When you cook hamburger, instead of trying to figure out what to do with the grease, you blot it with these. And they have all different sizes and styles. And it turns it into like a solid. Remove oil left in frying pans and dishes. Wipe off splashes around the stove. And it absorbs it, and you just toss it. Cool, huh? So that's not camping gear, but it's gear. Also, some anchor bands to help strap cables and such. For, yes, $2.25. I also got some larger Velcro to wrap stuff together. If you're familiar with Wrap It, I think, whatever the brand is. Let's see. We've got for $2.25 these things. They're tweezers for the kitchen. I want to get a good pair, but for $2.25, you can't beat this. This might even be handy camping. They also had a silicone set for $4.50 or $6, but I think this will work just as good. Handy for picking up little things that are frying and flipping them, and like bacon. This is perfect for bacon. So I wanted one of these for a while. My better half looked at me like I was crazy because she's never had to use them, but she will learn to appreciate it. This is something I wanted for a while, but I didn't want to spend all the money that they're asking, like $10 or whatever. A folding saw for only 300 yen. That's $6. They're usually 10 or 11 bucks for a cheap one. You get, if you want to spend the money, you can find them for more. But this, oh, it locks. That's cool. So this is a handy thing to keep in my camping gear. Like a switchblade. I like this. And we have to get more of these, just for one for around the house at least. But wait, there's more. $2.25. This bag of broth, instant miso soup, Namiko mushrooms. I've been, if you can't tell, I've lost quite a bit of weight. Yes, floofer. Oh, hold on. Here's the floofer. I kill you. Ah! Eat you one finger at a time. Are you done? Don't eat, Daddy. Anyway, yes, the floofer. Lost weight, 70 pounds, I think, maybe more. So this is a great snack when I'm hungry. One packet into a soup bowl, pour in 8 ounces of water, 5.4 fluid ounces of water. Stir gently, 25 calories. It's got quite a bit of 20% sodium. But other than that, these are filling. Usually I go to H Mart and get a big pack, but for $2.25, can't pass that. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And what else do we have? Now, I was watching Emmy Made. If you're not familiar with the YouTuber Emmy Made, she's got great videos of everything, cooking, shopping. I got started watching her. Stop knocking stuff down, cat. I started watching her. She got MREs from around the world and would taste test them, and they were very entertaining. Stop, cats. Anyway, I was watching her and learned that dehydrated meals are common in Japan because of earthquakes and such, and tsunamis, and they may have to go without electricity and all that. So this is Okawa rice with mountain vegetables, and I can put it in my pack. Sticky rice with vegetables, and it's good for a couple more, 2.5 years. And the cool thing about this, you can pour in hot water and it takes about 15 minutes to rehydrate. Or if you don't have a way to heat it, pour in cold water and it takes about an hour. And if you put hot water in here, it'll rehydrate even better. So I'm looking forward to trying this. It's got sodium, but not as bad as some. 81 grams of carbs. So nutritional value is not great, but it's food. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And finally, that was, let's see. I don't see it. Maybe it's on my handy receipt. Extending something. Onisi Instant, $4.25. That's not terrible. And finally is the kombu seaweed rice ball. Rice balls are popular in Japan. And this looks like it's good till 2030. 150 calories. Again, the sodium's not the greatest, but everything's sodium. This is okay. That was the other one was $5.25, and this was $4.25. So their foods are a little bit different in prices. But this, it's the rice balls, they're triangles. And what you do is you tear off the top and you pull this tab off, and there's a fill line right in here somewhere. and you fill the water and you seal it, and you could even keep it in your handy aluminum bag. 15 minutes if you're using hot water, an hour if you're using cold water. And then, because of the package shape, oh, and you gotta shake it really good. Shake it for all you got. Shake it. Shake it up, and when it's done, it's in a triangle form. And there's, you tear across here, and then you tear this way, and you end up with a triangular chunk of seaweed rice ball. And you actually can peel down the sides of the package and eat it out of the package without getting your fingers all covered in sticky rice. So this is pretty cool. It's popular in Japan. I'll try it later. And these may be good to toss in my kit of foods, emergency foods. So that's all I've got is that, other than what I gave away. So no, don't do that. It's incredible all the stuff they have. If you're a cat lover, they've got cat everything. If you're a Disney lover, they've got Disney everything. Bear lovers, they got quite a bit. Just a little bit of everything. So I'm looking forward to going back after I test a few of these things. And that's our DAISO haul. So, thanks for watching, thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, and most of all, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!